Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Microsoft Dynamics step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics account. Navigate to the sales module on the dashboard. Identify the specific sales strategy you wish to activate. Click on the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. Select Business Management from the drop-down menu. Locate and select Sales Strategies under the Business Management options. Once in the Sales Strategies section, review the existing strategies listed. Choose the strategy you want to activate by clicking on its name. In the Strategy Details page, look for the Activate button on the ribbon. Click the Activate button to enable the strategy. Confirm the activation when prompted by the confirmation dialog. Return to the Sales Module dashboard to see the updated status of your strategies. Monitor the performance of the activated strategy over time. Adjust or refine your strategy as needed based on ongoing analysis. Schedule regular reviews of your sales strategies for continuous improvement. Leverage the insights gained from reports to inform future strategy adjustments. Encourage team collaboration on strategy execution for maximum impact. Stay updated on Microsoft Dynamics enhancements that can further optimize your sales processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.